Here at 7 Stars Auto Glass, we offer our customers top quality auto glass with low prices. As an auto glass business, we replace all auto glass windshields, door glasses, quarter glasses for almost all cars. We do window repair, window regulators, motors. We do chip repair. We also do door handles, door locks, and car tinting. Our commitment is to make the customer satisfied and have the best price available in the market. Our business is best known for the fast, reliable, and best price guaranteed service.